In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily limit adult websites on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then on settings, hit on screen time, then turn on screen time if it's disabled, and after that get into content and privacy restrictions. Then hit add content restrictions, web content, and on that step you are able to limit adult websites. Just checkmark that option, and that limits access to many adult websites automatically. Specific allowed and restricted websites can be added below. So now here it gives you two extra options, always allow and never allow, and you are able to add your specific websites. Just hit right here at add website, and then you can, in that simple way, add any website to always allow or to never allow lists. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.